Hi, now let's practice our orange words. We have, let's go this side. Can, it, am, me, play. Big, come, look, for, we. Now your turn. What's that one? Play. Make sure you're going out and playing every day. The weather's been so nice, you can go outside and play for just a little while or a long time every day, just like we did at school. Okay, what I would like you to do with these, if there were any words on our sight word list 1 or 2 for our orange words, any words you do not know, please, please, please work on those. And a way to work on those, you can write them down, you can say them, you can tell them to anyone, you can give this to mom or dad or anyone and say, ask me these words, and you will learn them.